Well, I'm sorry to bother you, Gulliver, but you did say you wanted a cake.
Huh? Well, I did want cake.
Well, I am baking a cake.
Ah, good man. Fair play to you.
Gulliver!
What? I'm reading me book.
Can you at least help me out? Could you line the tin?
No thanks, but thank you for asking. Fair play.
Well, this reminds me of the story of the Little Red Hen.
Who?
The Little Red Hen.
Never heard of her.
Have you heard of the Little Red Hen, Gulliver?
Huh? Hen? No, I don't like hens. They're very cross, you know. Especially if you try and help them with their dinner. Oh, by the way, why did the hen cross the road?
I don't know. Why did the hen cross the road?
I don't know. That's why I asked you. I do love stories, though, Simon. Go on, tell us the one about that bird, yeah.
Okay, well, settle down, both of you, and listen. You should learn from this story.
This is the story of the little red hen. She has a heart of gold and she's everyone's friend. She lives in a gigantic house with a very lazy cat, dog and mouse. One day in the garden in the summer heat, she discovered with joy some grains of wheat. She told her housemates what she'd found and asked for help to put them in the ground. They said, we can't today, cause there's something on the telly. I need to wash my clothes, cause they're really, really smelly. But seeing as you're up, can you get me a snack? I get it myself, only I've hurt my back. Oh. This is the story of the little red hen. She has a heart of gold and she's everyone's friend. She lives in a gigantic house with a very lazy cat, dog and mouse. She planted the grain and watched it grow. Soon there was so much, it was time to go to the mill, but she needed a hand. But her housemates just wanted to get a suntan.
Can you believe the heat? It's such a treat. I'm covered in sun cream from my nose to my feet. The hen you seem to be blocking my sun. You better move quick or you'll burn your bum. Move it.
This is the story of the little red hen. She has a heart of gold and she's everyone's friend. She lives in a gigantic house with a very lazy cat, dog and mouse. So by herself she milled the wheat into flour. She then baked a cake the whole world would devour. She took the cake carefully home and with a smile on her face she ate it all on her own.
Hey, that's not fair at all. That hen didn't share her cake. She just ate it up for herself.
Well, Gulliver, I suppose no one helped her when she asked them to.
So what about our cake? You two gonna lend me a hand?
Nah, I could lend you a beak.
I'll help you, Simon.
I will have such fun today. We will have plenty to say. I will write some songs to play, and Simon says I'll guide the ships coming our way so they can sail into the bay.